They make a lot of instant coffee drinks, but they don't make a lot of instant mocha. Until now. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I found a lot of instant coffee drinks like cappuccino and frappuccino and things like that, but I haven't found mocha. And I did find this. It's by Nescafé. Now, what you might be able to see here is that it's in Korean, I believe. And right there, you can see all the nutritional information, but in Korean. And I'm not sure why it's not available in English, but I couldn't find it. So I found this, and they must love their mocha there. Now, if you're familiar with mocha, you know it's a little bit of coffee and hot chocolate. It's delicious. Now, this package here wasn't that expensive, but as you can see, it comes with a ton of instant mocha sticks in there. And these mocha sticks should make it really easy to make a coffee. Now, I was using the Google Translator to look at this because I wasn't sure if there were any instructions, and I could not see any. And so we are just going to eyeball that. And I have Peter Von Panda mug right here, 14 ounces. I'm going to use the whole thing. I'm going to assume that one stick of this is going to make a normal coffee cup of mocha. Now, first thing I will show you is that they do have a little tear line there, so I think I should just be able to tear that off pretty easily. Cool. We're going to pour this in here. So it looks like coffee and cream together. Hot water here, and pour it in. Just trying to dissolve the granules and the powder as I'm pouring it. You know what? I brought a spoon, but I don't think I'm going to even need it. It has a very muted, sweet smell for sure. So let's give it a little try. Hot. Now, I would say if this is a 14-ounce mug, I probably have 11 or 12 ounces in here. And I will say that's probably a little too much. It's actually watered down probably a little bit more than I would like. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to take another one, and I'm going to throw that in here. And maybe your mocha is supposed to be a small drink. And because I've done that, I'm actually going to go ahead and use my spoon here and just stir it in. Now I'm going to keep it at my 12 ounces here and give it another taste. Tastes pretty good. I would say 2 packages in a single coffee cup like this seems to be about right for me. Oh. Hey, if you want to stay warm and enjoy mocha at home and super conveniently in an instant mocha pack, you can definitely pick these up. I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.